Alright, we're gonna do my knife review. This is actually bought from eBay, and I have this about 6 months now, maybe 4. As you can tell, it looked like a copy from Smith & Wesson MP knife. Especially this part. The thing about this is that it's the size is about 1.5 bigger than Smith & Wesson. It got spring assist on the side right here. Got glass breaker. Overall, in the beginning, because I used to have the Smith & Wesson, it feels big. This one feels big, but it was only like $6-7 from China. Got a spring assist. Got a lock in the bottom there. Very nice, handy. Let me show you real quick. Very fast. I put this in my pocket so stuff comes in here all the time. Very sharp. You got serration right here. I use this for everything. I'm gonna put this away before I freak people out. Very nice handle. This goes everywhere with me. $6-7, a good investment. Very sharp. Very sharp. You got a little seat belt cutter right here. Little seat belt there. You can cut it. But it makes very durable. Very strong knife. And super sharp. I love this knife. I have a lot of knife, and this is one I really carry most of my time. Got a little hand here if you want to push it up, but most of the time I just use the spring assist. Let me do it one more time. So like that, very fast, very comfortable. Same way how you want to hold it. But anyway, just push the lever down right here, put it back in right there. $6-7, not bad compared to Smith & Wesson, $30, $35-40 I think. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe me if you have any questions, let me know.